Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing?
Alright, you guys, I just got in from Walmart, so I'm going to share you guys what I got for those of you all who did not see. I got the Great Value Strong Flex kitchen bags, 13 gallons, 120 bags, and this is the Citrus Burst. I still have like 60 of the lavender ones that I had left from last time I went grocery shopping, but since this is a whole new different channel, you guys would not have known that. So I just went on and picked up some more, so I will have a lot on hand. And then also the Clorox. You had the Lysol wipes, and it was, I think, 4 Lysol wipes, four packs of Lysol wipes, but I think they was, I know it was like $4 or $5 more than a Clorox for the same Clorox wipes for 4 of them. So I got the Clorox. The Gain, most of the time I'll either do Gain if I go to Sam's because I get a bigger amount at Sam's, but I wanted to do Gain this time instead of the Arm & Hammer, and not for any other reason. I just wanted a different scent. But when I do go back to Sam's, I will be getting 2 of their big liquids, and then some of their Gain pods. Now, I did do the Walmart Ultimate Fresh, which is compared to Gain. I did get this last month. It's 150 loads, and it lasted me for 3 weeks. So that was a good deal. And the price, of course, you guys were seeing previous in that walkthrough. I got the Lysol laundry sanitizer, the zero bleach, free and clear, and this is the 90 fluid ounces. Sometimes I get the original one, not the one that's free and clear, but this time I just went on and got that because of now, like I said, with everything going on with Mama, I don't want to really take too many chances, and I know she don't have issues with Gain. She doesn't with Arm & Hammer either. And then I got the Gain Fireworks. It's just the original. And yes, I do have fabric softener, but I still like to use these little beads. I got the Febreze Downey, and this is just the Air Fresh. Y'all know right now Febreze, even though they are teaming up with Downey, they have so many different scents. They got peach, and my daughter Rance had got the peach, and I got the strawberries and cream, but I just went for this scent this go around. And then I got a thing of Pine Sol instead of the Mr. Clean. Last time I had got Mama the brown original Pine Sol, but this time I wanted the lemon just for a different scent. I do like to use lemon in the kitchen, so I keep one of these Glade Lemon Fresh, I keep one of these Glade Lemon Fresh in the kitchen, so when I clean up at night, I spray. And I like to keep one in my bathroom. Once I clean up, I like to spray this one, the Glade Stay Cool Watermelon. I'll give to my son. He sprays his room with that. He liked that scent. And then I just got the Clean Linen, and I'll spray that in the living room and in my room, you know, just as needed. So that's it. So I'm going to go ahead on and get started back with my laundry. And it's right on time because these just cut off. You guys seen that I had showed you all the Gain powder that I have, and I'm not going to open up the liquid right now. I'm going to finish up on my powder, but I wanted to just go ahead on and get it today. And as I had told you guys, because my mom will be going into the hospital this Friday, and today is Wednesday, so I want to have all that on hand, so when I am home I can do laundry and I don't have to keep running back to the store. These are not the Snuggle Pods in here, the booster packs. This is actually my fabric, my Downey fabric sheets for my dryer. I just had put them in here because my box had broke. So about to get these next load of laundry in, and I'm about to take these out and start washing.
Let me go, nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made What am I hearing?